May 3rd, 2010. Monday is the judgment day. Fate of the sole gunman of horrific 26/11 carnage, Mohammad Ajmal Amir Kasab, is all set to be sealed by the special sessions judge. The court will also pronounce judgments against Kasab's co-accused Fahim Ansari and Sabauddin Ahmad. The big challenge was
collection of evidence was very difficult because the conspiracy was hatched abroad. All these boys, these accused, were trained abroad. So we only had Kasab, who was our only link.
The Herculean task of interrogation, investigation and collecting evidence began with the arrest of this 21-year-old Fidain. Even as security forces were battling his terrorist friends at multiple locations. On February 25, 2009, the Mumbai Crime Branch filed the mammoth charge sheet running into more than 11,000 pages. The charge sheet contained 2,000 witness statements and named 35 Pakistani nationals as wanted accused. On May 6, 2009, the Special Sessions Court framed 86 charges against Kasab and his co-accused. A day later, the first witness testified before the court. Over the next 7 months, the court examined 658 witnesses, including some FBI agents. In June 2009, the special court issued non-bailable warrants against 22 absconding accused, including Hafiz Saeed and Zakir Rahman Lakhvi. On March 9, 2010, prosecution began the final arguments and concluded them on 23rd March 2010 by submitting 657 pages of written argument to the court. Evidence of CCTV footage, telephonic intercepts, forensic and scientific reports were also submitted.
Now we have adduced full and overwhelming evidence in the trial, not only to establish the guilt of Kasab, but also establish the fact that how from Pakistan certain peoples were assisted and also activated.
Throughout the trial, Kasab changed his statements several times. On February 21, 2009, Kasab voluntarily confessed before the magistrate, only to retract it days later. On May 6th, Kasab pleaded not guilty to all the 86 charges. On July 20th, 2009, he retracted his not guilty plea and gave chilling details of the preparation, training, planning and execution of the 26/11 attacks. In December 2009, Kasab took another U-turn and claimed innocence. Kasab claimed he came to India via Samjhauta Express and was roaming around Juhu Chowpatty when police picked him up and framed him.
He has disclosed in his statement under section 313, he stated that I am not at all concerned with the case and I have been implicitly in the case.
The verdict will finally bring a closure to the proceedings and much awaited justice to the victims of 26/11. In Mumbai, Toral Varia.